Namaste Vidya. I, JV and Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education Methodology. So today our topic is what is teleconference. So do you know what does teleconference means? So teleconferencing definition is basically meeting with telecommunication medium. So this is a general term to link people at two or more locations with electronics. It is a telephone meeting with two participants or more than involved in this technology, which is more sophisticated than a two-way simple phone connection. So teleconference is at simplest case is when an audio conference is done with both or one end of the conference that share a speaker phone. The audio teleconference of today are arranged on dial-up phone lines sometimes and use bridging services to offer necessary equipment for the call. When there are more equipment having spatial arrangement considerably, it is called video conferencing where participant can view motion or still video images of each other. Now the modern technology have made it possible for teleconference to have every participant appear if they are present in the same room. There are different type of teleconferencing and different method are used in each technology. But some common factor like telecommunication channel, interactive two-way communication, linking people at multiple location and dynamic user, active participation always contribute to the teleconferencing definition. So they basically what is the type of teleconference? In the above part, we have to introduce you the teleconference definition. In the following part, we would like to share you the different types of teleconference to get you better understand. So first, video teleconferencing. This mode of teleconference is a combination of radio and audio for providing video communication. There can be various mode like one-way video or two-way audio and three-way audio or two-way audio. So it display many things captured by TV camera and mainly used for displaying moving image. Since the bandwidth of video is high and there is opportunity for multiple large screen telephonic teleconferencing will need a special telecommunication arrangement made with a special room at each end. High bandwidth cabling or equipment has become more commonplace. So video teleconferencing may be done from one own mobile setting and also beyond the computer. जैसे कि हम लोग गूगल मीट पे आप लोगों से डिस्कशन करते हैं, जूम पे आपसे डिस्कस करते हैं, तो दैट इज योर द पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि आप कनेक्ट हो रहे हो, हम कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं और हमारे पास क्या क्या चीज़ें प्रोवाइड होनी चाहिए, नेट होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए. दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. हम वीडियो के थ्रू हम क्या कर रहे हैं, अब सिर्फ ऑडियो टेली कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग होती लाइक मैं आपका म्यूट कर देती हूँ, मैं आपको सिर्फ आवाज़ सुनाई दे, मेरा फेस ना दिखाई दे, मैं फेस को हाइड कर देती हूँ. ठीक है, या हम फोन की बात करें तो फोन पे हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, टेली कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कर रहे हैं, एक साथ चार लोगों को हम लोग ऐड कर देते हैं, चार लोग आपस में बात कर रहे हैं, बस इसमें हम लोग एक दूसरे की आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं बट हम एक दूसरे को नहीं देख पा रहे हैं. दैट इज आवर ऑडियो टेलीकॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. वीडियो टेलीकॉन्फ्रेंसिंग हम लोग एक दूसरे को देख पाए, क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, किस तरीके से इमोशंस हैं, आज कोई दुखी है, आज कोई खुश है, तो हम उसके वाई फेस के थ्रू हम उसकी फीलिंग्स को भी देख सकते हैं. तो दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग एंड दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ ऑडियो टेलीकॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. So third one is audio graphics teleconferencing. So audio graphic teleconferencing, here narrow band telecommunication channels are used for the transmission of visual information like uh, alphanumeric or document or picture, like adjacent for voice communication also called as enhanced. जैसे कि आप लोग GIF फाइल्स भेज देते हो, आ, उसमें क्या होता है, आपके इमोशंस हो रहे हैं, जैसे कि आपने बोला सॉरी, तो आपने सॉरी का GIF भेज दिया, तो दैट मीन वो क्या हो गया ऑडियो. इवन दो आप बहुत सारे GIF आपके ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें आपकी ऑडियो भी होती है, ऑडियो रिकॉर्डेड भी होती है. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी जिसमें आपका ऑडियो साउंड भी हो और वो ग्राफिक्स के थ्रू, किसी इमेज के थ्रू, किसी डॉक्यूमेंट के थ्रू या किसी पिक्चर के थ्रू आप अपने उस मैसेज को कन्वे कर सकते हैं, लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टैबलेट, फ्रीज फ्रेम, वीडियो टर्मिनल यूजिंग रिमोट एक्सेस माइक्रो feed, fixed integrated graphic system. So these are the parts of the audio graphic teleconferencing. The next one is web teleconferencing. So as for the web teleconference, telephone lines are used for connecting two or more modems, any computer. Any program done on the computer may be sent through lines and it may asynchronous or synchronous. And synchronous mode example is the electronic mail. नेट होगा तो ही आपका मेल जाएगा. Web conferencing is also very useful in distance education. Now, some institutions are offering credit program by computer completely, and students get text through mail. Like your university also provide a web teleconferencing for study. So this is a part of the digital communication and the digital education also. So what is the conclusion? So teleconferencing can increase result and efficiency in a profitable way by using limited resources. So some of the advantages are very easy communication at a long distance, ability to relying information to the most people at one go. Flying abroad for addressing a business partner or attending meeting is no longer necessary. So this is time saving and money saving. But some issues of the teleconferencing are that there is no face-to-face contact, and services may be lacking. If it is the wrong provider, and fee can be substantial. All in all, teleconference help boost business education, medicine, and more interesting. You can select a suitable type of teleconferencing to ease your telecommunication and collaboration. So I hope आपको इस वीडियो में टेलीकॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के बारे में समझ में आया होगा. If you have any query, any doubt, then mention me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Mother 2.0, Jayoti with the Big Women's University. Thank you.